on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a dictionary on the Google Docs. So if you are writing something on the Google Docs and you want to find the meaning of a certain word, for example, you can use a dictionary tools on the Google Docs. So if you want to use that, you can simply just go to Tools, and in here you'll find a dictionary, or you can also use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus Y letter on your keyboard. So let's just use it by clicking on the dictionary in here. So you can just find the word that you want to. For example, I'm going to just let's try to find character in here. You can just type in the word that you want to find its meaning, and then you can tap on enter and it will show you the meaning of the word that you want to find. You can also just, let's say I'm going to just select this word. Let's go to tool and go to dictionary, and as you guys can see, it will show the word that I block in here. So that's how you can use the dictionary feature on the Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below.